Hey friends, welcome to you all. Today's topic is a little technical and how to replace the laptop battery, basically HP laptop batteries. You don't have to spend 10,000 rupees or 9,000 rupees on the battery. You can actually get a normal battery, a normal compatible batteries and use it for your laptop, which will last for at least 2 to 3 years. So I had my original laptop battery, which didn't last for almost original battery I'm talking about. It didn't even last for me for almost 2 years. So it's pointless spending 10,000 rupees on original battery where a compatible batteries can do a really good job. That is, I think HT03XL is the battery. If you actually go to see, the compatible batteries are really better. Yeah, I mean, especially in India, that whatever you get in a cheaper price will actually suffice for a very long time. Compatible battery does not mean that these batteries are duplicate. Basically, they are a manufacturer. Okay, they specially manufacturing batteries only. I have put a link in the description below about the battery and what exactly and which are the models that we need to put these batteries. These are the slimmer batteries, one which are internal, not the older one which you get for only 1,500 or 2,000 rupees. You have those internal batteries and which are a little slimmer, and now the laptops which are ranging like 15 series, all the 15 series laptops, they come with a slimmer batteries. There are 3 cell batteries, almost 41 kilowatt hour. So hope you will enjoy this video. Please do not skip the video. Please watch this video till the end, so you will get an exact idea how to replace it, and I will just show you the manufacturing date as well. So please be careful and check the manufacturing date of the battery. So that is very important. See that you buy a latest one, not almost a 600 days or 700 days older battery. So probably over 2 years of battery, it's not good. It will not last for a very long time. The backup that you can expect from these batteries is probably around 6 to 7 hours on a normal low end usage, like a battery saver pack, and probably over 3 hours of is really a good time to have to get a good backup basically on a compatible batteries if you actually go see. So yes, you can go ahead and make a purchase. I've just mentioned the link in the description below of the batteries that you need to purchase. So here I'm going to show you how you replace the battery within 5 minutes. It's very simple. So you can go ahead and try it. This is how I do it. if you're really new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you really like my channel, please give us a thumbs up and please share. Thank you so much and have a great day.